Sassycajun here.
Little Cajun.
Man, it's been a while. I miss having you in the videos with me. Y'all miss being in videos?
No. Not really, if I'm being honest.
No, it's all good. Today we have a Smeye kitchen sink mystery box. The first time I've ever been able to get one of these. It was $100. Anything goes, so it could be Funko Pops, designer toys, anything. I'm excited because I've seen people open these before. Spastic does them too. So I'm kind of excited to see what I get. He already pre-opened it and we are ready to go. So are we going to, you just going to hand me stuff? Or am I just going to reach in the box? Or how are we going to do it? How many things are in there?
There's a few.
Oh, that face. So something must be good in there. Oh, cool. We got a Bluto soda. What else I got? A Mighty Mouse. I have Mighty Mouse already. Hopefully that one's a chase. Ooh, we got a Mimi Adventure blind box. That's cool. That's what they look like. Alright, what else we got? Ooh, a CanBot. I actually wanted one of these. I'm excited for that because you're gonna like the CanBots. A magnet. This says Smeye World with the tech guy on it. I'm gonna put that on my fridge right now. Awesome. You want to send me magnets? They will go right there on the fridge. Ash Pop just sold one of these on Whatnot, so be for sale again. Oh, no freaking way. Oh my goodness. I just got rid of all my turtle stuff, but guess what? He ain't going nowhere. This is the original. Oh my gosh, from 2016. Okay, we're gonna try to see here how much this one is. This is so cool. I don't care about anything else. This is cool. In their Smeye World's pop protector. So he is, let's see, there's three. He is $49. So that's half the box right here, just in this. Alright. You want to open Mighty Mouse? Or you want to open Bluto? Bluto's heavy. He's a chunky monkey. Never opened a Bluto soda before, so excited to see what we got. Close the can. Don't be peeking.
I always do.
Yeah, I know.
You have this one?
I have the common of that one.
Nah, folks, is my teeth.
So you don't have to open it again?
Yep.
Yeah, it'll go in the auction. Alright, so the common of that is, I would say, probably 12. $14, so that's 49 and 14. You good at math, so you can keep up. Oh, Bluto was a common. I got so excited. I'm not doing my job. Just a common. Bluto's gonna stay here. He's gonna stay. I haven't gotten one of him yet. Feel how heavy he is. I haven't gotten one of him yet, so I was actually about to order one. So what's 14 and 49?
63.
63. Alright, let's see. 15.
78.
12.
I'd be 90.
Okay, and then we still have these two. So let's see if these will scan. Nope. This one doesn't even. Oh yeah. So it's 90 before we even open these two, and these usually run anywhere from 12 to whatever. So